Look, there's rubbish on the ground.
Oh no! We should pick it up and throw it inside the garbage bin. Have you seen a garbage bin?
I think it's near the tree.
Is it in front of the tree or behind the tree?
In front of and behind are prepositions of places.
In front of means at or near the front part of a person or a thing. Behind means at the back or to the rear of something or someone. Look at the example. The ball is at the front part of the chair, so the ball is in front of the chair. Let's look at another example. The ball is at the back of the chair. That means the ball is behind the chair. So, is the garbage bin in front of the tree or behind the tree?
The garbage bin is in front of the tree.
Yay! That's right! Look, there is a panda enclosure.
Yay! I'm finally home. Thank you, Sue, for helping me.
So, we have learned about 8 prepositions of places and directions. On, under, towards, away from, beside, between, in front of, behind.